Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by to check out my latest video. And today I am doing a drawing for my craft room giveaway. I posted the video a little bit ago, and I had said on there that I would do a giveaway for 2 items that I created. I have a composition notebook that I decorated and also a journal. And I had a lot of views on my video, but only I think there was just slightly under 60 comments. So that makes everybody's chances slightly better at winning. And so I did kind of screenshot everybody and printed the names off. And so I have lists here, and I did cross off one person just because she had two entries. And I think someone else had 2 entries too, but hers printed off on another sheet of paper. And so since that was the only name, I just took that one out. So if you had 2 comments, I took one of them out. And so here's all the screenshots I took of the comments. And I'm just gonna kind of rearrange these a little bit just to mix them up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and number them here on camera. And then I will get out my tablet and we can do a random number generator. So we'll just call that good. And so I'm just going to go ahead and label everybody down. And I know you guys maybe can't read all the names on here. So I'll just fast forward through this part while I am numbering. Okay, so it does look like there's only 41 comments. I did originally comment back on a couple of people right away, so that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just hold them up close so maybe you guys can kind of see maybe possibly your name with your number. And I did double check that there were no new comments before I filmed this, so I do have everybody. And again, Rita, you had commented twice, so I just took one out there for you. Just to make it fair, so everybody just had one entry that left a comment. So that is everybody. And so let's get my tablet on here. And so I said I had 41. And don't know if I can zoom my camera in anymore or not. Maybe I can here. That's a little closer. So let's generate and see who the first winner is. Number 10. Don't know if you guys saw that, so I'll try and hold it up here. So hopefully you see the numbers, and then here's the one that it drew, number 10. So let's see who number 10 is. All right, and I'm just doing it in order that I mentioned what I was giving away. So the journal's first and the composition notebook is second. And so for the journal, number 10 is Art Zoology. So congratulations. And it looks like her name is Deb. So she got the first prize, which is the journal. And then let's see the next one. Let's generate a number again. Random number. So let's generate, and it says number 29. So let's see who this winner is. So this one looks like it's so really small writing here, but Lena Elmore. And so actually, Lena had asked me also a question, which I was planning on to record next. So Lena, you won the notebook, and she had said, love the space, thanks so much for sharing. Would love to see the inside of the cigar boxes and the white drawers from the furniture piece your neighbor made. So I did take note of that, and I am going to record that next. After I'm done recording this video, and then that one might take me a little bit longer to edit, but that one will be up on my channel soon, just so you know that I did read your comment, and I will answer that question. And I have a surprise for you guys. I found another notebook, composition notebook that I decorated. And this one was for a design team for Angel Dreams Crafts Kim on Etsy with all of her beautiful laces and trims. And I decided that I would also give this away. So surprise, I have a third thing to give away. And so I will do, so I'm just writing down notebook number 2 there for Lena. And then let's see if for some reason I pick one of the same ladies, I will regenerate another number. I forgot to say that earlier, just so that there's 3 different winners. So let's generate another number here. Number 3. One of my favorite numbers. So let's see who is number 3. And this one is Mona C. I'll hold her name up here. So again, here is the number, and here is the comment right here. And Mona said, now that is a completed craft room, you did such a great job with it. I love the eclectic taste to it. And she said that she's finally moving out of her bedroom corner and into a real room, and that she'd like to be entered into the giveaway. So congratulations, ladies. What I will do, if you open up my description box, I will leave an email address in there that you guys can contact me, but I also would like if you respond in the bottom of the comment section so that I know that you saw that you won. And then unless for some reason you are friends with me on Facebook, you could also find me on Facebook. If you want to go that route to give me your address, we can go that route. But I don't know if anybody here, if any of these people are friends with me on Facebook or in my Facebook group. So, so just use the email. And again, I have that in the description box, so open that up, and of course leave a comment saying that you saw that you won. And what I will do is I will leave the winners open for like another 2 weeks or so. I'll leave it until like the end of March here, and if for some reason they don't come forward, I will do a second chance giveaway and offer up the item that wasn't claimed to somebody else. And I have had that happen before once in a while. So there still is a possibility. So if you didn't win, come back again in a couple weeks to see if I put another video. And if all the winners are have accepted their prizes, I will put closed in the title, just so then you know that too, so that there won't be another drawing. So I think that answers everything. And thank you again, guys, so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I loved all the positive comments that I received, and also the views for those of you who didn't enter, but I really appreciate you watching the video. So again, until next time, have a wonderful day, happy crafting, and congratulations to the 3 winners.